Hi there, it's Robert Bruce Anderson again, and this video is just on internal linking into your website, or if you like, silo structuring. I'm going to just keep this paused on this screen because you need to listen and pay close attention. Not only do you need to have your website with keyword content or create keyword related content in the keywords that people are searching for, you need to get Google to acknowledge that you know what you're talking about as far as your subject and get Google to rank your pages. Now, to do that, you need to do two things. You need to, actually there's a few, let's start with the honest. You need well-written content that people stay and read on your page. Meaning, if your page is really ugly, badly set out, and hard to read, and they click off literally in 3 seconds, Google will punish you for that. If it really looks cool and fun and they read for a minute or two, you get rewarded. So you need good grammar and good spelling, of which it's a huge issue with me. It's a problem. Fine, I've got tools to fix it. And I don't always try too hard, but you need to have good content and good grammar and whatever spelling. Then you need external linking into your site. Now that's subject for another video down the line. But you need other people to be giving you verification or proof that they think you're good, where they've put a link on their website and that link is sending reference via Google or via the link that Google will see that link to you as affirmation you are good at what you do. Once that all happens, and you can create those by the way yourself, you can go out there and do blog posting and blog commenting and social sharing, all of which are still external links into your site. Then within your website, you need to do internal linking. So you need to tell your pages or visitors to click out to go to pages related to what you're doing. Now, if you look at these images, these are perfect examples of how you should silo your pages. So as you can see, the categories here in this example link up to a silo page, and that links up to your home page. Supporting pages link to these pages, link to this page, and it's all a pecking order of power of pages. Your silos, or if you like your rows, there's silos here, need to stay within a niche, within your niche. So if you are in the shoe business, let's open this, then, oh look, they've told it to me, lovely. There's dogs and there's cats and there's rabbits under the My Pet silo, you see? Sorry, it's not very clear. Let's hit the image. Well, that's just charming. Sadly, it was a good example. I want to just go back to there for argument's sake. It was pretty clear. Oh, it doesn't matter. I'm really fighting with my computer. Sorry, people. Okay, so you can just see it says dog keyword number 1, dog keyword power 2, 3, 4. So this one would link up to there and would link to there, or the other way around. Okay, they've linked it like in some kind of a pipeline. No good. You've got to link upwards within this, within your sub niche, and link to your mains page. So this one that says dogs should be your main dog sell page that got everything about your site on dogs, and this one on cats, and this one on rabbits. Let's see if I can find another. But it doesn't matter. Any of these will show you perfectly clear. You're linking posts to pages on this one. So the posts will link. Okay, don't do that, Rob. Your posts will link upwards to your pages, and you're welcome to. You're not forced to. Let me find one I can just not click on. You're not forced here in your silo, if this was a page and a page, to only link upwards. You can link upwards like this, and you could have 3 or 4 pages all linking to this more important page, but this page can also link to that page and even to that page if they are related. Remember, Google needs to read your page, and then if you're sending them from a dog page to a rabbit page, not so good. Here's a different one. Let's see what they've done. They've linked. This is chaotic, but this is internal linking, old-fashioned style, as it could be. There's not a problem with that. Silo really means pyramid structure, and so you're far better off with a silo structure. Let me try and find you an image that looks like it's pretty much going in the right route. This looks cool, like this. So these all refer to there, but this one refers to there and to there and to there. You see what I mean? It's internal linking, and it's all by style, but the main pages can link to each other, the important pages, and that linking, internal linking, that silo structure is hugely important with how Google sees the logic of your system. So the point is that you can pre-decide what you want Google to do in your website. You can split it into 4 major niches. Let's say, in my case, with this free videos I'm doing, right? Let's go to my website. I could have a whole series of keyword related training, and that will all be silo structured under there. So I could have 10 or 15 keyword training or keyword related pages, posts, and that all power their way up through links to whatever this main page is. So would this page I'm doing now, content creation, would be also a sub niche, and it would power itself up to everything within that. So if you can see, my keyword training is fairly far along, but over time there are going to be 20 or 30 pages, 50, I've got no idea, pages and posts that will send you all to this single keyword page. And whether I eventually start to add, and I probably will add keyword related products. Right now I've got all my products, because this is still brand new in the overall. All of these are kind of all my products that I've got 50, so I've only put up 5 or 6 so far. But there'll come a time when this column will only have my keyword freebies or my keyword courses that I've got for sale down the side, because people have come here looking for keyword help. But the silo structure would have caused Google to realize that this is the most important keyword based page, and in theory I'm supposed to rank for the words keyword training. By the way, I'm not worried too much about silo structuring and ranking my page, because my marketing is going to be through social media and through Kindle. But I'm teaching you how to do silo structure and internal linking so that you can make Google realize the power of your pages when you use internal linking and silo structures. So that's really what it's all about. You do have to do that linking, internal linking from page to page, on every website for you to even get any credit from Google. If you then go to where you don't just click, go to my homepage, thanks, that's enough, please, you actually show some structure in how you do it, i.e. silo structure. You're helping Google realize which are your best pages, and Google will rank those pages for you, I promise you. And if you take those important pages that you've now internally proven to Google that they exist, and that's the one you're linking to from the outside, that page will link and you're going to get customers. So it's done. It's the best way to do it. That's it. I'm done. Please remember, every single page you ever produce, it doesn't matter if it's a video, it's an image, you must link out somehow. Thank you. On to the next video. Cheers.